How to generate video script with ChatGPT. To generate a video script using ChatGPT, just follow these structural steps which I'm going to show you. First of all, you have to log in and create an account on ChatGPT if you don't have, and this is the interface which it looks. Now sign up for ChatGPT account on the OpenAI website. Registration is completely free, and as you can see, I'm using the free version, right? So I can show you the exactly same steps here. Before you start scripting, clarify the purpose of your video and identify your target audience. This will help shape the tone and context of the script. Use ChatGPT to generate ideas related to your video topics. For example, I want to collect some information, right? For example, why MCD, I mean McDonald, right? Ice cream machines doesn't work. Right now it will show me all this information here, and this helped me. I mean, if you want more option, you can refine your prompt. For example, try again, or for example, are you sure your answer is correct? Now ChatGPT will search for it again, and yes, on it's a based on publicly available information, so I can search for it. Can you tell me the sources of your info? Right, and it will tell me the sources of the info here. And then I can, while making the videos, of course I have to put some screenshots and newsletters clippings. I can show my audience that the information which I'm providing you in this video is not my opinion. Is the information from this news articles, from this channels, and from wherever the space I've collected, right? So I can just go and check out this. For example, this is Food and Wine, and here this is the website article from where I ChatGPT collected this information. I can just go and create a ask more questions about this, and based on the idea generated, outline your script, divide it into sections such as introduction, main context, and conclusions. I can just ask a ChatGPT act as best script writer, and I will also add YouTube here, and ChatGPT will take this information. Now I will ask ChatGPT make a 3-minute script on why MCD ice cream machines doesn't work. And now ChatGPT will make a complete script here, and as you can see here, ChatGPT is giving me 2 response. Right now you can check this, that you can just compare which script is better, and then you can just keep continuing. For example, here ChatGPT is also giving me a prompt here. Host, the age-old question, why is this every time you crave a McFlurry or soft serve cone, the McDonald ice cream machines is always broken? Right, today we are diving into this frosty mystery. So as you can see here, the tone of this video is a little bit, it's not very boring type, right? So you can also ask the ChatGPT, just I want the exact information or whatever tone you want to set. Or on the other hand, you can see that this is a response too, and this is another tone here, right? And the information is slightly same. I mean the information is almost same, but the tone of this video is a little bit different. For example, I prefer this response. So ChatGPT will create this response, as you can see here, and I can ask a separate question on it, and I can just keep increasing the length of the script if I want to. Now once you have first drafted the script here, don't finalize the script. Review it for clarity and your coherence. Make necessary revisions to improve flow and readability. You can also ask ChatGPT for suggestion or edits alternative phrasing here, right? Then you can just add your then you can ask your editor, or if you're only one who is editing the videos, consider you can also ask the ChatGPT what kind of videos or what kind of images should I put it here, right? After revising each and everything, finalize the script, ensuring it aligns with your initial goal. Once satisfied, you can proceed to produce a video based on the script. So this is how you can do. So it's really easy, but yeah, it's a little bit time taking, but it can just enhance your script in a really good way. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.